YouTube. Listen, family, if you guys are ready to take advantage of the market this week, let me know down in the comments below. I need everybody to make sure you like, subscribe. Make sure if you're not already, you get in the Discord because we will get to it first thing in the morning, and we got a short holiday week for Thanksgiving, okay? Market half day Thursday or close Thursday, half day Friday. Make a note of that for me. Everybody else consider joining the money team. As always, guys, make sure you like, subscribe, help this video get 1,000 likes. We will have class on today because I need to help you take advantage of what the market is doing. Remember, everything around here is about the technical piece of the game. We ain't guessing, we ain't gambling. This is how we take advantage of the opportunities. But more importantly than the opportunities is what's before you, and that's the chance to buy quality companies at low discounted prices, okay? A lot of the stocks are down 20% or more, and we call that correction territory. We call that back up the Brinks truck territory. We call that buying opportunities for our long-term thesis, okay? So we're gonna unpack it, okay, by breaking down the market. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it, man. Listen, I'm showing you guys the SPY here on my screen. Ticker symbol for the S&P 500 is SPY. Currently sitting at 659, but check this out. Look at the open, 655, okay? Look right underneath, follow my screen. Look right underneath the big price of 659. The open was 655, okay? So it went up $4 from there. The previous close was 652. I need you guys to make sure you are having demarcation points of where the high is, where the mid ground is, and where the low is, okay? Because this will help you understand how to at least establish some terms and forms of levels, okay? It won't be the advanced levels that I'm gonna show you, but at least let you know, okay, boom, we went to 652 yesterday, we went to 659 today, 655 is the middle. We're going to play within this range, okay? I want you guys to know that, but listen, the SPY is sending some signals that Coach has to go over with you guys on today. And so, guys, we are going to dive into the chart to kind of unpack it, okay? Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. All right, check this out, man. I have the 4-hour time frame pulled up on the SPY. Check this first indicator out. Do you see that? That could be looked at technically as a double top or a lower high, okay? Okay, look at this one more time. Look at this right here, okay? You got this and this, but peep this for me, guys. Do you see how, look at this closely. Do you see how this is here? This is a little bit lower. So that's already telling us that we're making a downtrend, okay? And then look at this right here. This really got Coach attention. This rejection right there. Do you see that? Okay, that told me that the sellers was not playing and they were pushing the stock down, okay? And so because they made that move, okay, look at what happened. We got rejected here, okay? So this is resistance. That line right there is resistance. We came all the way down to support, okay? Follow this because this is gonna help you know what you need to do. But then we bounced off support, but then boom, we got rejected there too, okay? So that's also resistance. And so most likely we are going to still come back down and test support, but we need to get back above this level here to, again, be out the fire, okay? Now listen to this, last thing. This support level is also a DCA, aka a buy level, okay? You need to make sure you are at least buying some stocks there for the long term. If you know, say for instance, guys, look at Palantir, look at Nvidia, go look at Meta, for example. Go look at Hood, ticker symbol HOOD, for example. You have some great companies on sale right now that are at even lower levels than where the SPY is at, okay? The SPY is gonna not go down as much as individual stocks, so you need to know, okay, if the SPY is here, stocks will be down even further. This is what Coach is meaning about us buying on the dip, okay? Buying on the pullback, buying on the 20% correction, buying when stocks are in a bear market. These are all the things you guys want to follow and know, okay? So you got the double top or the lower high, okay? Now check this out. You also can see we could easily be making a situation where now rejection, down, rejection, down, rejection, down. This could be rejection, and then it could be telling you that we're just going to start a downward channel. You can see that happening, and that's if we can't get above resistance, okay? This is why you need to know your patterns, all right? Now let me move that out the way real quick. You also have this last thing, which is these indicators all starting to come to the downside, all right? And so just for a quick lesson, you have to make sure you are waiting for confirmation that stocks are passing and clearing certain resistance levels to help us know we're going back to the upside. If you're just trying to buy calls randomly, you're going about it wrong. You're going to lose your money, okay? You need to be buying calls at support if you see that support is holding and establishing itself, or you need to buy calls when we get above certain resistance levels, because it just simply means the trend is changing and going back to the upside, okay? So listen, guys, some great opportunities is on the horizon for the long term. Do not forget, you got a Santa rally or a Christmas rally coming, so you need to be saying to yourself, boom. Matter of fact, homework assignment, go look at least 5 stocks that are down at least 10% or 20% or more, okay? And then you need to make a note. I'm talking about from their 52-week high. Not that you're down that much. We're talking about the 52-week high. If you rock with Coach, we bought all of these stocks at a much lower price than they are today. So for example, your Palantir, you should have an average cost of at least, if you don't have $8 or $12, you should at least have $20, $40 or $60, 80 at the bare minimum, okay? And so you have room for them to come down and you to still be up. But you need to say from the 52-week high, what stocks are down 20% that I own? And from there, that is your cue for you to know, okay, that I need to start buying and accumulating, either for longer term leaps, longer dated calls, and or I like to say lateral to your long-term investments. When I say investments, guys, Coach is talking about your stocks. I'm talking about you buying stocks, you buying shares, 100 shares, 1,000 shares, okay? Your first 10 shares to get the position established, and then if stocks go lower in price, you add more to it, or you put it on autopilot. Every week you get paid from your job or whatever income you have coming in. Let me know if that's understood, okay? Listen, I wanted to show you the SPY because what did I always tell you? The SPY runs the market, okay? The QQQ is more geared towards tech, which is also another good indicator, but it mimics the SPY most of the time, okay? So if I teach you the SPY, you can at least see, okay, things are leaning towards a more neutral / downward position, but we are waiting for signs to show us we're going back to the upside, okay? So listen, guys, do me a favor. Everybody be in the Discord first thing in the morning. Matter of fact, do me a favor. You need to make sure you are watching on other platforms. I'm gonna be sharing this video to Facebook. I'm gonna be sharing these videos in the Discord. I'm gonna be live in the Discord. Like, guys, you have to know I'm gonna be on Patreon. You have to know that you can find this content in other areas. Don't just be looking and waiting for one thing when I'm all over the place, okay? And so I wanna make sure you guys are getting the content wherever you see fit, but also you need to know it exists in other places too, okay? Listen, man, everybody be in the Discord in the first thing in the morning, everybody else consider joining the money team. We got a short week, so listen, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stocks, use my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.